Did you know that astronaut Harrison Schmitt, one of the Apollo 17 crew members, was actually allergic to the moon? Yep, you heard that right. While on the lunar surface, Schmitt developed symptoms similar to hay fever, including sneezing and itchy eyes. Turns out, the moon's fine dust particles triggered his allergic reactions. Can you imagine being allergic to the moon? It just goes to show that even in space, our bodies can surprise us. So next time you look up at the moon, remember that not everyone can enjoy its beauty without a tissue handy.